isn't a game anymore. Where is your other friend, hmm? You left him by himself, and now I have him here. Go on, speak for them. You want him back, hmm? Come to the long road on the side of the city, or else your friend here will explode. Just like your feeble facility we destroyed. I'm waiting.
We're getting him, right?
We have to focus on the mission. Can't go after Hunter. It's a trap.
He's our friend. He's important.
Avis gave us direct orders. We can't.
Hoff, don't just stand there.
It's either him or everyone we've ever cared for.
Beck, he's our friend. We can't do this.
Okay, fine. We have to watch out next time. You, Claire, I'll follow you. Me and Hoff, you two fix the bridges around here. Join us later. Here, follow this. What did you do?
Like what you see? Nothing could have prepared me more for this. I figured out way back if Roblox is all powerful, it cannot be all good. And if Roblox is all good, then it cannot be all powerful. Right? The world needs to see how corrupt you are.
How corrupt this all is.
Enough games. Where is my friend?
I know why you're here. But your friend is inside that gray house on your left, safe and sound. So, I'll make this simple. All you have to do is find him, save him, giving me enough time to do what I need to do. If you don't, well, you know the deal. We both know better now that evil doesn't come from the badlands beneath us. They come from the skies above.
Claire? Run! Go find Hunter! Open the door, quick! Hunter?
How do you have the time to save those you love, but not to save the only thing I have left? That's why I gave you the wrong house. And soon, you too will know what it's like to have no time.
Run! Run! Go get him now!
Mia, you can hear this. I just want to say thank you.
What?
I don't know where I am. I don't think I have that much time left.
Don't say that! We're coming!
I know we had plans, but things aren't looking quite good for me. No, you knew the best part about this job.
What? No. No, 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 no! Talk to me! Ah! No! No! No!
Solitude, envy, fear and time. What more do you want? Why do you keep fighting? Whatever. Check out what Noli stole back from Urban Shade. They call it the Necrobloxicon. A really pretty book, in my opinion. Wrote by the great myth overlord Zanoli himself as a backup fire for an older brother. Smile needs his power, but your builderman buried his code too early. Here, in this very game, many years ago. We will awaken him, kill him, and reclaim the power Smile used to make him. Then finally, with our regained power, Smile will find your imagination core and fix our time. What a beautiful sight. I feel as if I'm on fire. You're so foolish. You don't know what you're doing.
I'll kill you for what you did.
You think I killed him for nothing? It feeds on grief. It was never about him. No. This was just my plan. The explosion was my plan. Her grief was the final step. Now the girl has nothing left to lose.
No.